Hi, this is Pete at Plumbing Brother. I'm going to show you guys how to fix a Sloan toilet that refuses to flush anymore. It has an attitude. So, this is the culprit. I'm going to make sure I keep it PG. You guys don't want to see what's in the toilet. So, we'll do it like, oh, so hard. Alright. This YouTube and shit. Can you see it? There we go. Okay, I gotta figure this out. Okay. So, let's go to the trusty tools. I like tools. Okay. PG-13. Okay, let's see. I'll figure this out. So, oops, got my tool. I'm a dork. Alright. Notice, these are the pressure assistant. Ain't doing nothing, right? You always want to turn off the water before you do anything. I'm so used to doing this, I'm not turning off the water, but if you're going to do it, you turn off the water. Hold on. See if I can find it right. Bingo. So, there's two Allen screws right here. These hold the button in and all the components that make the toilet flush. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Look, it's all lit. Be careful when you take this off because you don't want to lose the screws nor mess up the button or anything. And you take this off. Right here, it's a sensor. It knows when you're taking a crap. Unplug it from back here. There's two things you can do. Right here, you can unscrew it and put a set of new batteries in it. Or, if you don't have batteries, this is the part number. Alright, this is your new one. See this sensors? Name for the batteries. Notice it has this magnet. This is a magnet. You don't want to take this off until you're ready to basically close everything up. First thing to do is to plug this in. Can he do it? Well, if I do it with one hand, I got skills. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Brother got skills. Alright, now we're going to remove this. Watch what it does. And put this back on. You have a few seconds to get this all right before it starts to auto program. And screw it down. Make sure she's tight. See how it's getting ready? See, it's getting ready. It's time for me to move my butt. So, I move. And enough time to put my tools back. That's how you fix a Sloan that doesn't want to flush. Well, that's one of the ways. If you work on enough of these, you'll know what's the issue. Several things can go wrong. But as you can see, it's pretty now. It wasn't pretty when I came in here. Alright, now we want to make sure the sensor works. So I'm going to simulate taking a crap. It's just me taking a crap. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, this shit works now. Let's see. Alright. Here's your Sloan, baby. Alright, this is Pete at Plumbing Brother, showing you how to fix a Sloan toilet when it doesn't feel like flushing. Peace.